Hi, John.
Come home, Jackson.
Jackson is home.
Come home. Right now. So, I have to go to the store. After you go to the store. Mommy?
What?
We have everything right here. Those are not couches. Those are rockets.
Oh. What's wrong? You don't wear your glasses?
No, those are my glasses.
Oh, uh-oh. Come here, Mommy will fix them. Let me see. Show Mommy. Smile. Smile.
I'm looking like a monkey.
All right, no. Sit. Sit on your bottom now. Jackson, sit. Hey, sit on your bottom. All right. There you go. Thank you. Sit. Hi. No. Say you're sorry. Sure, come here. John, come here. Come say hi. Low kiss. Oh, thank you. Blow another kiss. Nice. Where's your belly? Belly. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Where's your nose? Yes. And there's your face. There's your belly. No, move your bottom. Stop it, John.
Hi.
Who's your best friend?
Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, that's right. What about brother?
Jackson and John.
Are your best friends? Here, get back. There you go. Uh-oh. Come here. Oh, no fussing. Hey, look at Mommy. Look at Mommy.
Graduate in a choo-choo.
Huh?
Yeah, we're going to graduate in a choo-choo.
What in a choo-choo?
Yeah, we're going to graduate.
Godchildren?
No, I'm going to graduate.
Elmo in Grouchland.
Kelly, I got it. I have it. Hi, Jackson. Your little buzz. Your little buzz. Watch out. Don't go that way. Go see Mommy. Uh-oh, you lost your wings. Hi, little Buzz.
Bye, Buzz. Bye, Buzz Lightyear. Bye. Careful. Where are you going, Buzz? Oh, where are you going?
I'm a chipmunk. I'm a chipmunk.
Which chipmunk are you?
A chipmunk. A chipmunk.
No, let go, brother.
Chipmunk.
No. Why is the toy over there?
Hi, little Buzz.
Say hi. Say hi, Dada. Jackson, no. No.
Hi, Jackson. Jackson. Hi, Jackson. Jackson, what are you doing? Hi, little man. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say to infinity and beyond.
Jackson, Cheese? We're going to Chuck E. Cheese? Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
Pick up the phone. Put it to your ear.
Say hi.
Say uh-oh.
Big. Big.
Birdie, that's right. Birdie. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Papa. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Oh.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right. We are...
Hi, Jackson.